guys picking up a motorcycle at the Thermal Aviation. The motorcycle is somewhere stored at like a private hangar, so we're gonna see where it is. That's a different kind of bike. It's not running, and it'll probably need some service too, because it's mentioned it's been sitting for over 8 months. So